Hello everyone. So in this session, we will install Android Studio on our system for APM automation testing. So to install this, just type on Google download Android Studio and just click on this developerandroid.com. Click on this. So we will navigate to this. Based on your operating system, this link will come download Android Studio and just click on uh, this term and condition and click on this. So it will start the installation. It is around like 900 MB, so I already installed. Okay, so I already downloaded this thing uh, because it takes some time. So when you click, it will get downloaded and then you install. So I'll start installation. So once you install, it will be like that. Okay, then double click on this. So here is doing setup. Now just click yes, next, 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 install. So it's downloading all the packages. You can see all this. So it'll take some I think 1-2 minutes based on your internet speed. Today is pretty fast. Okay, okay, all the files are downloaded. Next and finish. So once you click finish, it this Android will open. Just click on next, click on next. So here this all this package get downloaded, like you see this Android emulator or SDK, all this thing, and your Android will be downloaded on this path. Okay, AC user, then your username, app data. So maybe you can copy this path, will be useful later, and then click finish. So installation is starting now. It will take some few minutes to install because it's pretty big, and it will install a lot of packages like emulator, SDK, and all this thing. A lot of things are there. So it's a completely Android development tool. So it will take some time. It will download a few things, install your system, and keep doing thing. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll pause this thing for some time, and once it get done, I'll resume. Uh, so our Android is now installed. Click on finish. Okay, and this Android Studio will open like that. So this is for this session. In next session, we'll set environment variable for Android. What are things are required, and we have to install one more tool, Node.js, which we talk about like when I discuss about that how this APM work. So we need Node.js server, so we install that thing also. So thank you, and see you in next session. Thank you so much.